Are you struggling with a cracked or broken windshield making your commute unsafe? TJM Industries provides the best Grandview, Washington mobile windshield replacement and repair services. Not only do you save money, but you save time with our mobile windshield replacement and repair services. Contact our team at 509-870-0026 or visit our website at tjmmobiletruckwash.com to schedule your appointment. Available time slots fill up quickly, so don't procrastinate. Call now.
We've always trusted TJM Industries for our auto glass needs. They keep our trucks on the road and safe with minimum downtime due to their on-site mobile windshield service. They're the best, and we won't use anyone else.
It's time to take care of that pesky damage to your windshield. Make your move. Call TJM Industries now. We'll have you safely back on the road in no time. Our phone number once again is 509-870-0026. Call today to get your vehicle windshield back to a safe condition, whether it needs just a repair or a complete replacement. We'll come to you and make it right. So call us today. We have operators standing by to accept your call.